So now what is how to study about p-channel JFET? See, in p-channel JFET, it is very simple. So p-channel JFET is also similar to n-channel JFET, but only one thing. So you know that the majority carriers are holes, right? So the channel will be of p-type, and in the p-type, you'll be diffusing two n regions to form the p-n junction region, and the majority carriers will be in p-channel will be holes. But instead of electrons in n channel, we had electrons as a majority carrier. In p channel, you will be having holes. And the circuit symbols are shown for n channel and p channel JFET. Here, this is the symbol for n channel and p channel. See, it is looking like a transistor. The transistor circuit இப்படி இருக்கும். You will be having a slight bend, right? And you will be having an arrow mark at the emitter. But here, to differentiate from transistor, you will be having a flat terminals. And this arrow mark will be at the gate. Okay, arrow mark will be at the gate. For n channel, arrow mark will be flowing into the device. For p channel, arrow mark will be flowing away from the device. Okay, and you know gate is always negative and VDS is always positive for n channel. P channel reverse. Gate is positive and VDS is negative. Reverse. Can you see the difference? Gate is negative in n channel and gate is positive in p channel. VDS is positive in n channel and VDS is negative in p channel JFET. Okay, this is, and the direction of arrow will indicate the direction in which the current is flowing if the PN junction is forward biased. Okay, that is the direction what they have given. So the direction will be into the device for n channel and it will be away from the device, pointing away from the P channel JFET. Okay, so parameters of JFET we will see tomorrow. So today we have seen very, very important characteristics of JFET. It is called as drain characteristics. So we have seen what is the variation of drain current with respect to VDS and VGS and VGS. Okay, and also we have seen what are the different regions in the drain characteristics of JFET. You have the ohmic region, you have the pinch-off region, and you have the breakdown voltage region. And we have also seen why field effect transistor name was given to this device and how we can make the drain current to be zero. Okay, and in case of if you are going to construct p-channel JFET, what is the thing I'll be doing? And BJT la moonu current correcta, collector current, emitter current, and base current. But in JFET, we have only one current called as drain current. We don't have what is called as gate current and source current. We have only one current, which is of very much significant to us, which is called as the drain current, and rendu voltage irukku, VGS and VDS. So VGS, VDS, and ID are going to be the three important parameters of your JFET. We don't have source current and gate current, which are not at all significant in JFET, because in JFET, I have only one current, drain current. That current is dependent on VGS and VDS. Okay, so three parameters will dictate all the terms of your JFET. And we have seen the analysis of p-channel JFET. In case if your p-channel JFET is asked, only thing, everything will be, you have to answer everything in a reverse way. So diagrams will be completely reversed. You can see the polarity itself is reversing, right? So operation will be exactly same except for the reverse characteristics. And you should compare and study what the difference in diagram for BJT and JFET. This is the one what I have drawn is for BJT, and this one is going for the p-channel and n-channel JFET. Okay, we have just seen JFET family. So in the MOSFET, the diagram will be somewhat changing for MOSFET.